Hello guys, welcome to Auto World. Today we are at MG Aurangabad and we are going to see the all new MG ZS EV 2021. So let us see it from the front. We have got the same cool kind of a grille and this is the key. You can see we have got the lock, unlock and opening the boot through it. MG logo. Let's unlock it. So this is how it unlocks. Then this feature is cool. Just open it like this. And here is the port of charging. Let me close it. These are how the DRLs look. We have got the headlamp, LED DRLs. Then let us see the car from the back side. So we have got the original internet inside badging of MG. Then this ZS EV logo, the racetrack kind of light. These are the indicator lights. So let us open the boot. We get lots of space here as you can see. Then let us open it and see. This is how the charger looks of it. This is the portable one. It is big enough. We get a really cool big space here as you can see. If we took down the passenger seats, then we get this much space, and if not, then we'll get this till here. Now let us close it. Then we have got the shark fin antenna here and the tail light. Now let us see the driver seat. So we have got the black interior here. This is the soft finish. The window power buttons are here, door lock unlock. Then this silver lining is also really good. We get the good interior of it. We can adjust the steering as per our need. Now let us on it. We have got the on button here. This is the instrument cluster. Then we have got the infotainment and the instrument cluster controls here. The voice assistant is also here.
I'm here.
Open sunroof. We have got really big sunroof here. MG calls it Skyroof because it is just massive, right? Yeah, now we have got this reverse, neutral and drive modes. We have got the mode button here. We can change the mode like sports, then eco and all that. We have got the curse and battery mode here too. Then these are the AC vents. We can control the AC from here. Two cup holders here. Then we have got good space here too. We can keep our mobiles and stuff here. Then these seats are also really comfortable. I'm really excited to drive this electric vehicle. And previously in 2020 we were getting about 340 kilometers of range in this MG ZS EV, and in 2021 they have changed the battery pack and we get around 420 kilometers of range in one charge. So that's cool. And also it has got 350 Newton meters of torque, and it goes 0 to 100 in less than 8.5 seconds. So that's also really good with this electric car. Now we have seen the front seats and the interior of it. Now let us see the back seats. So we have got lots of good space here, magazine holder and window power controls. Then we have got this holder Here is also one USB port to charge our phones and some good space here. Then we have got this adjustable headrests, and now let us go for a spin. It is really smooth while driving. This has really amazing torque. It just goes 0 to 100 in less than 8.5 seconds, so that's really cool. Really comfortable while driving. Braking is also good. There is no voice from outside. So guys, that's all with the video. Thank you for watching it, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment how this new MG ZSEV 2021 looks. Thank you for watching and meet you in the next one.